Home Remedies presents
Old doctors spray castor oil on the navel to treat these 10 health problems fast. Even if you have dealt with these problems for a long time, this is an easy solution with amazing healing abilities. Spray castor oil on the lips. Have you ever dealt with chapped lips that just won't heal, no matter how much lip balm you apply? It can be really annoying, right? Here's a helpful tip. Castor oil can be a game changer for this issue. Just a light spray on your lips can make a big difference. To use it, simply spray a drop or two of castor oil onto your fingertip and gently apply it to your lips. The best time to do this is right before bed because your skin absorbs nutrients better at night. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Spraying castor oil on the heels. Castor oil is an effective natural solution for cracked and dry feet. Its thick texture provides deep moisture, making the skin softer and smoother. To use it, simply apply a few drops of castor oil to the areas of your heels and gently massage it in. The oil seeps into the skin, locking in moisture and aiding in healing. For best results, apply it before bed. Spraying castor oil on the eyebrows. As we get older, many of us notice our eyebrows becoming thinner. This can happen due to overplucking, hormonal changes, or just the natural aging process. But there is a simple solution. Castor oil can help make your eyebrows thicker. To use it, simply spray a small amount of castor oil into a clean cotton swab or your fingertips before bed. Gently dab the oil onto your eyebrows, especially in areas that need more volume, and massage lightly to help it absorb. It is an easy addition to your nighttime routine, and many people have seen results in just a few weeks. If you want fuller eyebrows, consider trying this natural remedy. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Spray castor oil on the navel. The belly button is connected to many nerves in the body, and castor oil, known for its healing effects, may help stimulate these nerves and provide a gentle boost to your immune system. Here is how to do it. Lie down and apply a small amount of castor oil to your belly button. Then gently massage the area in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. The best time to do this is before bed, allowing your body to absorb the oil overnight. Spraying castor oil under the eyes. The skin under the eyes is thin and often shows signs of dryness first. A little spray of castor oil helps retain moisture, smoothing out fine lines and gradually brightening dark circles. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory effects. When applied under the eyes, it calms the skin, reducing swelling and puffiness. The best time to apply castor oil is at night. This allows the oil to work while you sleep. Just spray a small amount onto your fingertip or a cotton swab and gently dab it under your eyes, starting from the inner corner and moving outward. Be gentle as this area is sensitive. Some people see results in a few days while others may take a couple of weeks. The important thing is to be consistent. A nightly routine can lead to more hydrated and brighter under eye skin. Spraying castor oil on the lower back. By spraying a bit on your lower back and gently massaging it, you can allow the oil to soak in, easing tension and improving blood flow. The warmth from the massage also helps the oil work better, providing faster relief. To do this, just spray some castor oil on your lower back and use your fingers to massage it in circular motions for a few minutes. The best time for this is before bedtime, so the oil can do its work while you sleep. For added comfort, you can place a warm towel over the area to help relax the muscles even more. Spraying castor oil on the scalp. By spraying a small amount of castor oil on your scalp and gently massaging it, you enhance blood circulation to the follicles. This increased blood flow delivers more nutrients to the roots, leading to stronger, healthier hair and potentially reducing hair loss over time. For the best results, apply a little oil to your scalp before bed and massage it for a few minutes. Let it work overnight to absorb and nourish the follicles. With regular use, you may notice your hair becoming thicker and healthier. Spraying castor oil on cuts and scrapes. To help minor cuts and scrapes heal faster, especially as we get older, castor oil can be very useful. This natural oil has antibacterial and antimicrobial qualities that can speed up healing and lower the chance of infection. To use it, start by cleaning the area with water and gentle antiseptic to remove any dirt. After cleaning, spray a small amount of castor oil directly on the wound. The oil creates a protective barrier that keeps out bacteria and dirt while keeping the area moist, which is great for healing. For the best results, apply the oil twice a day, ideally once in the morning and once before bed. Spraying castor oil on the nails. By spraying a small amount of castor oil on your nails and massaging it in, you create a protective layer that locks in moisture, preventing dryness and brittleness. The oil also penetrates deeply into the nail bed, promoting healthier and faster growth. Using this remedy is easy. Before bed, spray a little castor oil onto your nails and cuticles, then gently massage it into each nail for a minute or two. This massaging helps the oil absorb better and boosts blood circulation to the nail bed, encouraging stronger growth. For the best results, try to make this part of your nightly routine. Spraying castor oil on the scalp. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, known for its antifungal and antibacterial effects. When applied to the scalp, it combats the fungus that leads to dandruff while providing deep moisture to prevent dryness and flaking. To use it, spray a small amount of castor oil directly onto your scalp, concentrating on the areas with the most dandruff. Gently massage it in with your fingertips for a few minutes to help the oil absorb. For optimal results, leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight before washing it out with a gentle shampoo. Use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week and you should see a healthier, flake free scalp. Before buying castor oil, consider these tips for a quality product. Choose organic oils from trusted brands that don't use harmful chemicals or fertilizers. Look for cold pressed oil as this method keeps its beneficial properties intact without heat damage. Make sure it is hexane free, avoiding oils made with harmful solvents or pesticides. Regarding packaging, while there is some discussion about glass versus plastic, it is best to choose glass if possible to maintain purity. You can find my top recommendation linked in the description below. Using moderation is important for getting the best results. Pay attention to how your skin reacts. If you see any redness, itching, or discomfort after using castor oil, stop using it right away. You may be sensitive or allergic to it. If the symptoms continue, it is wise to talk to a healthcare professional. Always listen to your body. Also, be careful with your clothes and furniture, as castor oil can be thick and may stain fabrics. If you apply it to your skin or hair before sleeping, consider covering the area with a towel or cloth to keep your pillows, bed sheets, and cloths safe from stains.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.